In this video, you will learn how to get your pay stub from Workday. First, log into Workday, open a web browser and go to your organization's Workday login page. Enter your username and your password to log in. Navigate to the pay section. Once logged in, click on the pay worklet or your option for the main dashboard. Select my payslip or pay history. In the pay section, look for an option such as pay history or payslip. Then make sure to click on it. Choose the pay period. You will see a list of past dates. Select one you need by clicking on the corresponding date or pay period. View or download. After selecting the pay period, you will be able to view your details of your pay stub. Most systems will allow you to download it as a PDF, which you can then save or print just for your records. Print or save the pay stub. You can choose to print the pay stub directly from Workday or save it to your device for future reference. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.